Question 3. Two functions, f and g, are defined by this. Find the expression of fg and gf. Then find the values of x. Okay, so first they asked us to find what is fgx. So if fx is 3x plus 4, fy is 3y plus 4, fgx would be 3gx plus 4. So now we know gx is this, so we can take this and put into the gx. X squared plus 6. Then we expand this, 3x squared plus 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22, so the answer is 3x squared plus 22. Right. Next, they asked us to also find gf. So let's find what is gfx. So if gx is x squared plus 6, gy is y squared plus 6, gball is ball squared plus 6, gfx would be fx squared plus 6. Now we know our fx is this, we put this into the fx. So 3x plus 4 square plus 6. So we'll get 9x square, and then the shortcut to square this is, first we must square the first term, and then secondly, so we'll get 3 terms lah. The first term is just the square of this. The last term is the square of this. And the middle term is 2 times 3x times 4. Okay. So the middle term is 2 times 3x, 6x times 4 is 24x. And then the last term is 4 square, which is 16 plus 6. So 9x square plus 24, 16 plus 6 is 22. Right. Now that we've got this done, let's look at A. A, they're asking us to find, okay, let's use a different color. A, they're asking us to find when f equals to g. So when fx equals to gx. So fx is this, gx is this. So if they're equal to each other, let's bring everything to one side. So we're going to get x squared plus 6 minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, what I did was, I brought this both here. So I got x squared plus 6 minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now let's simplify this. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so this one, 6, I minus with 4 to get 2. Okay, so now we have to solve this. This one we have to factorize. So how to factorize? You need to put 2 brackets first. You can just use your calculator. Okay, so I go to mode. I choose polynomial, 1 minus 3 and 2. So x is 1 and x is 2. So rewriting this inside the bracket, it will become x minus 1, x minus 2. So this is our answer. Right. Let's do B. So B is fgx is gfx. So this must equal to this. So 3x squared plus 22 equals to 9x squared plus 24, I forgot the x here, 24x plus 22. So 9x squared we minus 3x square. Okay, the 3x square we bring there lah, become minus. Then plus 24x plus 22. Then 22 we bring there, minus 22. So 9x square minus 3x square is 6x square. 24x. 22 minus 22 is 0 already lah. Okay. So from here we try to make x the subject. So what we can do is the whole thing we can divide by 6. So we'll get x square plus 4x equals to 0. Okay, what to do now? So you got x square, you got x on both the terms. So we can factor out the x, leaving us with this. Okay, whenever you got this without the c, we can factor out the x because both terms also got x. So once we get this, you can write your answer lah. So x equals to 0 and x equals to 4. X is 0 and x plus 4 is 0, so x is negative 4, sorry. Okay, so this one is quadratic. This is actually you learn in maths already lah. Okay, let me just explain to you a bit. So if let's say we factorize, we get two brackets, right? We get x minus 1, x plus 2. So this will become x is positive 1 and x is negative 2, right? Because when we are taking out of the bracket, it will become like that. But if you get in this form, where x minus 4 is 0, for example lah. So this one is actually x minus 0, x minus 4 equals to 0. So it's the same thing. So x is 0 and x is 4, like that. Okay, so don't get confused. It's the same thing. Just that this one they just write it as x lah. They never write plus 0 or minus 0. Okay, but it's the same thing. Okay, so that's how So that's how we got these answers. Done.